Hi guys, today I'm so excited because I have the brand new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and some fun accessories. First up is the actual phone. We have the Galaxy S25 Ultra and I don't remember what color I ordered, so we're going to be surprised together. Here's the Samsung logo and it says Galaxy S25 Ultra on the side. Some of the different colors are on top. And I also got this clear case. It was on sale, so instead of $25, it was closer to like $10. And then I had like some Samsung credit, so I ended up getting this. And it's a clear case, so I'm excited to see if this will make the phone look cool, or maybe I'll paint this. And then I also got the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Like with the promo codes, I got this for like $17 instead of, I think like $200 or $250 is the normal. Maybe even $300, but yeah, so definitely worth $17. I'm really excited to try this out. I had the original Galaxy Buds and then I upgraded to the Galaxy Buds Live, which are like nicknamed the Galaxy Beans. I have those in rose gold that I still use to this day. And I gifted the Galaxy Buds to my mom once I upgraded, and she still uses those that have been working for a couple of years. So I'm really excited to try these out and see if there's a difference or if they sound similar. I can't wait to get this opened. So I don't know if this even comes with a charger or not. That would be really sad if it didn't have a charger. I think it should at least have a cable. Okay, it does have a cable. I see one. We have the like pin tool, and here's a cable, but it doesn't come with the brick. Here's the charger. Looks like this is USB-C as well, and since I have the charger from my old Samsung phone, I think that should still work. So let's take a look at the phone. I noticed that these like buttons are kind of inside and not sticking out, but on this side they are a little bit. And the screen is not as reflective as my current phone. I have the Note 20 Ultra right now. And look at all of these cameras. I cannot wait to try out the cameras and see if it's an improvement or not. Let's see, here's the bottom, and the design is kind of like more similar to an iPhone. At least the S25 or the Note 20 Ultra that I currently have in the older like Galaxy like S10 Plus, they all had like a little curved screen, but this is flat, so we don't have a curve. And let's see, here's the stylus. It seems pretty similar to the one with the Note 20 Ultra pen, so maybe I'll compare them and see if there is a difference. But now let's turn the phone on, which is the most fun part. Okay, there we go. And I kind of like the design of my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra a little bit more than this. And I currently have like kind of like a rose gold color, and this is like a much lighter rose gold. Like it almost looks white. It kind of matches like this like beige color on my sweater, So here is the color, but oops, not me breaking my new phone. But yeah, let's click start. Okay, now let's get this case opened up and see if it fits the phone well. Here is the case, and nothing like fancy, it's just like a kind of hard plastic. Okay, so I got the case on, and it is a really thin case, which is nice. And you can access like all the ports and everything, the S Pen, but the camera, I feel like it's not like super protected, so it's just the case is very like slightly elevated from the screen. So I'm afraid that if it falls, it's not going to be protective enough. So I think I might need to get another case. I don't know if this is going to do the job. And here's what happens when you turn on the phone. I haven't transferred all my data yet. Hi guys, today I'll be unboxing every single Inside Out 2 toy that exists. Okay, so this is the wide angle lens at 0.6. This is regular at 1, 2, 3. So even at 3, it's good quality, even up to 5. It switches to the other lens. Here is 10. Here is 30 times zoom. And then here is all the way at 100. Let's see, can we focus and see anything? 100 is pretty blurry. I have to go outside and try this out. And then when you go on the settings, we have all of these features, so I can't wait to try these out. Let's go on video and see what some of these features are. Let's see, the resolution goes up to 8K at 30 FPS, and my Note 20 Ultra does have 8K as well at 30 FPS, but it only looks good when it's like a stable shot. And I tried filming in it, but I didn't see too much of a difference. Here's Ultra HD 30 and 60. And I think there's more controls now, like in the settings, where I know Samsung had Pro mode before in Pro Video, but I heard you might also be able to get like the raw, like, I don't think it's called S-Log, that's like Sony, but there's another like log file. So I'm excited to try that out as well. So you can get your selfie in here. So I'm recording with my Note 20 Ultra right now. That's fun. Here is the log mode.